Struggling to find the OneDrive login page? Stop wasting time. Here's exactly how to sign in, step by step. I see it all the time. People typing random links, landing on weird sign-up forms, or just flat out getting stuck. It doesn't have to be that way. We'll go to the official site, click Sign In, enter your email, and you'll be in. Let's start. First, open your browser and navigate to the official OneDrive site. Now, the key here is making sure you're on the real Microsoft page, not some copycat. You want to go to onedrive.live.com. That's ONEDRIVE.LIVE.com. I'm going to walk you through it just like I do when I'm helping a friend one-on-one. And this is exactly the approach I use in all my tutorials. Practical, hands-on, no fluff. Once you type that in and hit enter, the page should load up pretty quickly. Don't worry if it looks a little different depending on your browser or region. The important stuff is always in the same spot. Once the page loads, locate and click the Sign In button. You'll see it up in the top right corner of the screen. It's a blue button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click that. And here's the thing. Sometimes people miss it because they're looking for a big banner or a login form right in the middle of the page. But on the OneDrive website, Microsoft likes to keep it clean. The Sign In button is always in the top right. Once you click it, it will take you away from that landing page and into the actual login flow. Now, enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. This is where a lot of folks get tripped up. They try to use an old email or a work email that isn't connected to their Microsoft profile. So take a moment to think. Which email did you use when you first set up your Microsoft account? That's the one you want here. Type it in carefully. No extra spaces at the end, no typos. If you have a personal Outlook or Hotmail address, that works too. And if you're using a business account through your company, you might need to use your work email. But for the standard personal OneDrive, just type in that email and you're good to go. After typing your email, click the Sign In button to proceed. It's the big blue button right below the email field. This will send you to the next step, which is the password screen. The page might take a second to load. That's perfectly normal. Microsoft is checking to make sure your email exists in their system. If asked, enter your password and click Sign In. Now, pay attention to this one. Make sure caps lock isn't on and double check that you're typing it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so a capital letter where there shouldn't be one will throw everything off. If you've forgotten your password, there's a Forgot My Password link right below the field. Don't panic. Just click that and follow the prompts to reset it. But if you remember your password, go ahead and type it in, then click the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify. This is an extra layer of security, and honestly, I'm glad you have it turned on. It just means Microsoft wants to make sure it's really you. They'll send a code to your phone or your Authenticator app. Check your device, grab that code, and type it into the box on screen. It usually expires after a few minutes, so don't wait too long. Once you enter the code, click Verify or Confirm, and you'll move right through. Once signed in, you'll see your OneDrive files and folders. And that's it. You're in. You should now be looking at your personal cloud storage space. All your documents, photos, and anything you've saved to OneDrive will be right there. It might take a moment for everything to load if you have a lot of files, but the dashboard itself should appear almost instantly. And that is how you log into your OneDrive account. From being confused about where to go, you can now get in within seconds. No more hunting around or getting stuck on the wrong page. If this helped you out, I've got more step-by-step guides just like this one that walk you through the exact processes I use every day. Thanks for watching.